Well, the church recently celebrated the feast of Saint Brigid of Ireland, and an event in Rome highlighted the Irish culture and heritage in connection with one of its saints. EWTN Vatican News Correspondent Colm Flynn has more.
On an evening in Roma at the Pontifical Irish College, a singer performs Oscilga in Irish. This is a unique event where Irish artists have come together to celebrate the patroness saint of Ireland, Saint Brigid, through music, poetry and art. Eve Parnell is one of the artists and one of the organisers of the event.
Art and culture, I believe, is very important in the world, and the influence of Saint Brigid, she was an educator. She had a school of calligraphy. She encouraged many types of people, but she also encouraged artists.
Victoria Johnson is a Grammy-nominated singer and songwriter who says she expresses her faith through her music.
My faith really inspires a lot of my lyrics, and as a person of faith, if we're given musical gifts or gifts in the arts, we're really to use them. So that's what I try and do.
Sail away, sail away, sail away, my love.
The event to honour Saint Brigid was supported by Culture Ireland and the Irish ambassador to Italy, Patricia OReilly.
This was a woman who developed a powerful voice, unusual for her time in the 5th century. She was a mentor, a negotiator, and an advocate for the poor.
Caoimhín MacHumphrey is a poet from Dublin who read one of his pieces about the legend of St. Brigid's cloak, covering acres of land where she would build her first monastery.
And in the screaming darkness there, he saw behind coils a warrior braid of hair that fell in fiery heaps beneath my stamping feet.
When you start to look at the cultural connections between Italy and Ireland, the points of contact are in their thousands. It's incredible.
Decreeing I might have the land I need. And that is the true story of my cloak.
Father Paul Flynn is the rector of the Irish College, facilitating this meeting of faith and the arts.
They speak in theology about the relationship between faith and culture, so tonight is the mingling of both faith and culture here in an institution that dates back almost 400 years.
A truly Irish way to celebrate an Irish saint. In Rome, Colm Flynn, EWTN News Nightly.